Welcome back to this channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about advanced filters that return unique records. So let's fast forward, open inventory 4 from the session 1 sample files folder. I already have mine open. Select enable editing if you see this banner. Clear the advanced filter that we ran previously. Go to the data tab and then clear. You will notice that one supplier often supplies multiple products. For example, Specialty Biscuits Limited supplies 4 different products. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will notice that Specialty Biscuits supplies Scottish long breads and so on and so forth, and also supplies tea time chocolate biscuits. So there are 4 different products. So in this lesson, you will extract a list of suppliers from the workbook using an advanced filter. The advanced filter's unique records only feature will be used to ensure that each supplier is only listed once. You'll be amazed at how often you'll find this feature useful in your day-to-day business use of Excel. So let's delete rows 1 to 5 at the top. Select those 5 rows at the top and then delete. Okay, now bring up the advanced filter dialog. Click inside the data first and then go to the data tab, sort and filter, then advanced. Great. So this is the advanced filter dialog right there. Now set the list range to all cells in column C within the range. Okay, the list range. All fields in column C. So we delete that. Okay, hope you did that. Okay, now leave the criteria range box blank and check the unique records only checkbox. Leave this blank. Unique records only checkbox. Click the copy to another location option button and then click the copy to box. Select the copy to box and then click once in cell I1. Okay, click once in cell I1 at the top of the range. Okay, then click OK. Okay. If you look at the list of suppliers in column 1, in column I, you'll notice that there are no duplicate entries in the list. The unique records only feature has ensured that each supplier is only listed once. Okay, you can now delete column I if you wish. Otherwise, this marks the end of the lesson. Thanks for listening and see you in the next lesson.